Hey, what's up, Elementor community? We are back. It's been a while, a couple of years, but now I'm back, guys. I'm updated. I updated myself, updated my dependencies, refreshed the version, got a new update, everything new, everything fresh, state of the art, guys. That's where we are. It's my first video after a long time. There was one 10 months ago. It was really cool. It was very sales focused, but now we are officially back after like 5 years, 4 years, 6 years, I don't know, a couple of years, right? We are back and we are stronger than ever. We have a lot of knowledge, a lot of mistakes. We have a big announcement. So listen up. I will show you what I did in the last couple of years, what I learned, what mistakes I made. Will be a brief overview. Please comment what you want to know, all the mistakes, everything. I will make videos about it, and I'm happy to have you guys back. It was all because of you. So we have 4K subs, over 4K subs. We have like 500K views, right? It's in German, but I believe you know what it means. You are familiar with the YouTube layout, right? So over around 500K views, and guys, thank you for that. It's been a ride, and now we are back stronger, as I said, than ever. So let's jump into it, and I will tell you what you missed, what happened, and as you remember, we did a lot of Elementor guides, right? So we were really deep in Elementor. We were doing web design. We had a company for web design, created like I don't know 30 websites, but very high professional ones, not just some templates. We created all of them custom. I mean, yeah, not all of them. The first ones were templates, as you can imagine, but we moved up the ladder, right? So that's what I want to give you as advice. Always move up the ladder, always learn something new. It's never too late to learn. So when you leave school, you learn and then you move up. Because if you leave school, then you stay stagnant, right? It's not cool. I know all of you guys are probably just finished school already. So that's why you guys have to learn every day, every time you can. Be curious. And just a little side note, right? So let's move on. And basically, we did a lot of web design. It was drag and drop, to be honest, right? Elementor was not development, but as you can see, some videos yeah, went viral, right? Because they got like 200K views. Also, I will not be cutting, guys. Like, let's be honest. This video is pretty cool. I hope if you like it, let me know. If you want me to cut, let me know in the comments. I will cut it. So if you really want to cut it, I will cut it. But let's try it like that. And it got 200K views, but it was already a little bit of development, custom development there, because we use those custom fields with the animations, with JS, with CSS. I think it was only CSS or maybe JS, I'm not sure. But it's still working. Like I saw a comment from 2024 telling me, Dominik, it's still working. It's crazy, man. What are you doing? So I really appreciate it, guys. All of you guys made it really awesome and made it look pretty good for me. So basically, what did I do in the couple of years after doing this web design? We moved on and we got a big enterprise client from the automotive industry, and we developed a workplace booking app for them. Like we had no idea in the beginning, but at some point we got into it, we developed it, and it took us 3 or 4 years. We started before COVID, and we made a lot of mistakes, like crazy amount of mistakes. So I can tell you about everything, about the tech stack, about the software we used to develop, this hardware setup we used, hiring, uh, like even office renting, all of that, guys. Like, let me know what you want to know. I can tell you all about that. Like, what a SaaS founder really needs. And but we were just an agency, right? So we know the agency perspective, and we know from the web development, and let's say web development with like page builders, web design. I don't really count it as web development, and the real web development where we use React, Next, Angular, whatever, right? PHP, like if you are that old school. But anyway, so that what we did, right? We moved on, we went up high. So we had to learn everything by heart. As you can see, there are some videos like that here. But yeah, I mean, I really liked it, but working for one client, it was a little bit hard because they had expectations. that we really didn't think will be fitting for the future development of this app, and that's why we split ways and we created our own application, our own SaaS, our own software. And our own software, guys, this is the big announcement, is basically an alternative to Calendly. So let me go to Calendly just so you know what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is Calendly. I hope you guys know it. If you don't know it, you're living under a rock, to be honest, or I don't know. Guys, like take this video and frame it in your home or something. Like, it's crazy. Like, if you don't know it. But anyway, right? So we did this, and in Germany, in EU, in DACH, it's really important that the GDPR is taken care of. And in terms of GDPR, which became effective in like 2018 in Germany, we had some issues, because at some point US data transfer was legal, then it was not legal, then it was legal, and then it was not legal anymore. So as you can imagine, as a business, I cannot use a tool that for, I don't know, a couple of months is legal, and after that it's not legal, because I can get cease and desist letters, I can get fines from other companies. That's how it works in Germany. I know in the US it's different, but in the EU, especially in Germany, it's like that. And we had to find a solution. I was looking for many tools, German tools that offer the same UI friendliness, I would say, and conversion rates as Calendly, but no one did. It was all like Windows 98 software, and guys, I cannot use this on my website. I would build it on my own, right? And that's where it started. So we built meetergo. As you can see, it's a GDPR compliant scheduler. We started out with like basic functionality like Calendly, and I can tell you everything: how to get users, how to do SEO, how to do development, all of that, how to do sales. When does sales even really matter? Like, it depends on your ACV, average customer value. If it's low, it's maybe not the best approach to do it, like cold calling or emailing, whatever. And if it's bigger one, this is a preferred method, to be honest. But I can give you advice about everything. Let me know what you want to see in the comments, and I will do it for you guys, because I am doing this for you. So yeah, this is the website. Basically, right now we have over 21k users, but to be honest, it's like 27k already, I believe. And as you can see, I'm in this new Dia AI browser. So we are also using all the new AIs, everything, Claude, ChatGPT, Kimi K2. The next videos will also be about that, right? How we can improve workflows and automations. But yeah, that's what we built. And in the beginning, as you can see, we already have video booking pages. Calendly doesn't have that, right? Like, it's our own feature that we have. And we have testimonials. We have this whole like problem solution section, which you can check out. It explains the whole thing. But we really wanted to push it further. We wanted to make it white label, so proper CNAME, proper SMTP settings for white labeling emails, video booking pages. We even have forms like Typeform, where you can add multi-step forms. You don't even need a funnel anymore. You don't need Zoom. We have Connect, like a video platform, included. We have a CRM, mini CRM included. But we also sync with like HubSpot and Pipedrive if you are serious about doing sales inside the CRM. And we also integrate reviews. But guys, like, I don't want to bore you with what we are doing. Basically, it's not a promotional video. I just want to show you what we built. We built this for like 5 years now. As I said, over 21k users. It's more, but I will have to update it. And that's what we have been doing. This app is in German, English, Polish, but also in many languages. I mean, the website is in those languages, but the app actually is in more than 10 languages. And that's what we have been doing. That's where we have a lot of expertise now. And yeah, guys, as you can see, we learned a lot. We built a lot. We even have more projects, like I can show you in the future. But I need your input, for real. Like, I need to know what you guys want to see. You want to see some automations with AI, sales, marketing, development. I can show you all of that. And we have a lot of insights, what is working, what is really working, how to build a real product. Like, I know there's vibe coding and all of that, but to be honest, it's not about the product anymore. It's about marketing, it's about sales, about the experience that we produce for our leads, for our clients. And first of all, thanks for watching until now. Second of all, I would appreciate it if you like the video, if you comment. That's the most important thing. If you guys don't comment, I know it's not that important for you, but this is your chance to have your personal YouTube mentor, founder mentor, whatever. I think this is priceless, and I will be super responsive, especially after this revive. And there will be future videos. I try to post on Wednesday and Saturday. So yeah, I will be posting a lot. I will produce content. There will be upcoming videos this week as well. So let me know what you want to see, what I should focus on. But I'm happy to be back, guys. To be honest, that's the biggest thing. So happy that you are here, that you are watching, and let's build this channel. I believe all of us, we have a lot we can achieve in the world for us personally, but even for a lot of other people. Like with this technology, in the age we are living right now, we can achieve a lot. So let's move together. Let's build beautiful things, and let's push software to a new level, right? Let's do it together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.